Welcome back to the channel. My name is Doug.
And I'm Ashley.
You know, we just got done with our bathroom remodel and it came out really good. We're still kind of thinking over the backsplash. We might leave it, we might fix it. We haven't found anything that really is exciting us. But everything else is going good. The tub is looking sharp, clean.
Super clean.
But there's one problem that we have to address. We hate the toilet we bought. If you guys remember, we bought a used toilet. Some of you guys said ew, but yeah, I get it. We wanted to save money. So we picked up a used toilet that looked good. I didn't see any problems with it. The guy said it was a good toilet. So we grabbed it, we brought it home, we hooked it up, and it just doesn't flush. It is weak. I mean, it doesn't flush paper. No, there's nothing. It's a sad, sad toilet. And
you go to flush it, it just slowly goes down,
and we didn't want to be defeated by a toilet, so we've been trying everything. We watched the YouTube videos. We checked, the siphon and the vents, or the whatever they are, where the water come out. And we went as far as to buy chemicals, and we hate buying chemicals.
We never do that.
And we had chemicals in there, like to break up any clogs or debris or anything inside the toilet where you can't see. Nothing is working. We're admitting defeat. The toilet is no good.
Mm-hmm.
So we ran out today and we picked up a new toilet. We had to. We can't stay. Ashley was wasting time cleaning, trying to get that toilet to work. I said, Ashley.
And then I just said eventually, let's just get a new toilet.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to be upgrading our new toilet and calling the other one a loss. Sometimes that happens.
But thankfully, we didn't use a wax ring. We used a rubber, new kind of ring.
So it should be pretty quick and easy to swap this out. We tried to get a cheap toilet. This was a good, cheap toilet. We had a hard time deciding which one to get, but we're going to try this one out. This has a dual flush. Kind of neat.
Yep.
So let's get this unloaded and put together.
Installed.
Alright. Okay, let's see. Stop before opening box. Come for a rough. 12 inches, yes. Will fit your space. I hope so. Will this toilet height work for us?
Yeah.
It's a little tall.
It'll work.
This is our new old toilet that we installed. And, it is what it is. I'll show you the flush. We'll just throw some paper in, not too much. Demonstrate it for you guys. We're going to see a before and after flush of this toilet versus the new toilet. So we'll let that soak. So this is the flush. And the paper is actually still coming back up now. You see it actually stayed in the toilet pretty much the whole time, just swirling. Barely made it into the hole. It is the slowest flush I've ever seen.
Me too.
Ever.
It's ridiculous.
So
we can't leave it like that.
Put a new one in anyway. And this toilet's off-white, which we thought would be good in the bathroom, but I think we want white after seeing it in here. The washer and dryer are white. The tub is actually getting whiter as we clean it. The sink is white.
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to look better white. This looks kind of dingy. But you can see it didn't flush one little scrap of toilet paper. It didn't even flush it. So you can imagine. So, not worth it. Hassle. And you know what? I emailed the guy and I told him how disappointed I was that he would not tell us the truth about it and that he would, basically lie to us. He acted like it was wonderful and said nothing bad about it. He said the only reason he was getting rid of it was because his wife needed a taller toilet. I emailed him and I didn't ask for anything back. I just wanted to let him know that I felt that it was very dishonest for him to kind of put off his junk on other people unknowingly. And he emailed me back and just said, oh, I have no idea what you're talking about. It always flushed fine for me. I never had a problem. So it is what it is. Let's get rid of this junk.
Mm-hmm.
Is this how you do it?
Yeah. That's how you do it. You mean if it would come off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the new problem. You see this new toilet we got? Look at this big smudge in here. It's like enameled on, it's like really hard. We tried scraping it and it doesn't come off. That's how it looked out of the box. It's just like something, and we saw more of it on the bottom of the toilet, like up here.
Just something they used down over here on the ceramic.
Yeah. So they got this messy, I don't know how that passed inspection and made it into the box. It's annoying.
So we're gonna bring it back.
We're bringing it back. We're not going to waste our time with this. We're putting our money into this. We've already wasted money on the other one. We're going to get another one. So
we're gonna pack it up and bring it back.
before they close, hopefully.
It's like the whole toilet thing here is a disaster.
Who knew it was so hard to get a toilet?
It's like Toilet City. We got toilets on toilets.
We made it back. We got there before the store closed. And here's our new toilet. Once again, let's unbox this thing and hopefully this one is good. Oof! We got a slightly different model this time. This one isn't the dual flush, it's the regular. It actually got more good reviews online. It had like over 1,000 reviews on the website and they were mostly really good. So, let's try it out. I'm excited. We're just gonna take it as that the last one was a fluke, you know, just a
Yeah.
one of those things that only happens to us kind of thing. For better or worse, this toilet has to go in tonight, so 4th of July, starting already. We've been also spending most of our day actually working on a project in Belle's room, and that video will be coming out soon. We're just doing some finishing work in there right now, and it's coming out pretty good.
Yeah.
All right. There it is. They got the same weird gunk on here. So hopefully it's not on the other side.
I wonder why they do that. Nothing good.
Yay! Let's try it out. We're ready to install. We're trying a new ring. This is slightly different than the other ring we tried. We decided to replace it because we just wanted to be safe. Even though these aren't wax rings, the other one was already used and compressed, and we just wanted to make sure we had a good seal. So this is what we found, and we're going to give it a shot. Rubber side down, I guess.
Has it gone down a lot?
Yeah.
Good. I think it'll work, don't you?
I hope so. Let's put this on here. I guess that's how it goes. There it is. Take these off. Go close. We are filling up, water's on, checking for leaks. So far so good. Take these off. You notice that we got an elongated bowl instead of the round. These are just a lot more popular nowadays and they're easier to find. There was a lot more selection of elongated. But it fits fine in here. It's like level with the, flush with the washing machine, so.
Yeah, there's like hardly a difference.
No big deal. The old round toilets were so big that the new elongated are like the same size.
Yeah.
So far so good, no leaks, no worries, no problems. The big test is coming. How does it flush?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
We'll put some toilet paper in.
Yeah.
Sorry to waste it. There's the toilet paper. This is the big moment we've been waiting for. Ashley's smiling. Okay, here's the 1.28 gallon flush. See how good it is compared to the old one. Not very impressive. We know our plumbing is good. It was clear and open and the old toilet flushed fine. I mean, these are more efficient toilets, so they do flush different than the old ones. It'll just be interesting to see how it goes. It's flushing and the water's going away fast. There's just not much of it.
I mean, that's how they are, though.
What do you think, Maverick? Is it a cool toilet? Do you like it? You think you'll be using that soon? Yeah.
Yeah.
You're almost getting it. But let's not play with it, okay? So there it is. Toilet is all done and it's looking awesome. We're looking forward to trying it out. You probably don't think that often of your toilet, but we'll see how it goes. And we're just happy to have a toilet that flushes. I'm sure it works fine.
Yeah.
And it looks good. It's clean, it's white. I think this is way better, so upgrade on top of upgrade.
Mm-hmm.
So that was quite an eventful day, driving back and forth, buying toilets.
Yep.
It had to be done. We just weren't happy. Now we're happy.
Yeah.
We also have some other things coming up. Like I said, we're going to be working on the kids' room. We'll show you that. So hopefully now we're done with this bathroom for a little while. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys are having an awesome 4th of July. Or had one by the time you saw this video.
Yeah.
And enjoyed your night and everything went good. So that's all we have for now. Until next time, take care.
Bye.
Why are you pointing it this way?
So I can see you.
Ew, you're gonna look up my nose the whole time?
Yeah.
It's recording.
Yeah. The mosquitoes are terrible.
You got 2 of them on your head.
Terrible.
What is it, like a blood feast?
Hey, I can see that you have 3 mosquitoes on your head.
I do.
Yeah?
No.
I'm kidding.
You prankster.